Welcome to the future of temperature control with the temperature chamber integrated with CompactRIO. Perfectly designed for educational and research purposes, let's dive into the incredible capabilities of this system. Temperature chambers and CompactRIO systems are essential in educational and research environments to teach how to design, simulate, and validate complex feedback and control systems in real time, like fuzzy logic, neural networks, PID systems. Today's setup includes CompactRIO with only 2 modules: Ethernet connectivity to your PC with a thermocouple, a halogen bulb for precision heating, a siren, and a fan acting as a disturbance to challenge the system. Let's see it in action. The halogen bulb turns on to increase the temperature. As the fan disturbance is introduced, the bulb switches on. The siren activates when the temperature rises and turns off when it falls. Take control with our intuitive LabVIEW interface. 2 thermocouples, one measuring room temperature and the other measuring the chamber temperature, provide real-time data. The PID controller, set in auto mode, ensures precise temperature control. Adjust settings, including alarms, and observe the graphical representation. Blue line represents the bulb intensity, fluctuating up and down. Blue horizontal line represents the temperature in the chamber. Green line indicates the set point, threshold. Red line displays the ambient temperature. CompactRIO systems feature a controller with a processor running a Linux real-time OS and a chassis that contains a user-programmable FPGA. It provides an industrial control and monitoring solution that uses sensor or protocol-specific conditioned I/O modules with real-time capabilities. It is a modular, rugged, and expandable platform ideal for industrial monitoring and control applications with real-time processing needs.